Good morning. Sound of the loon. So it rained off and on all night. Slept good though. Excuse me. So I'm going to get up in a little while. Hopefully get out and do some fishing. MSR mug mate to use with ground coffee. I've used it at home and it's awesome. I just put this piece of galvanized mesh there to keep it up out of the water a little bit more. But yeah, it really works good. And you know what? You just can't beat fresh ground coffee, man. You know, drip coffee. I usually go with the Folgers or the Starbucks Via, but this is just, you can't compare. It's just really good. And it's so easy. Just bring the grounds and this little doodad. You don't need this little mesh thing. It'll sit right on it. It'll overlap the rim of your cup. And then you just rinse the filter off and you're done. There's no need for paper filters. So basically it's reusable. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Really good. If you like strong coffee, or you can temper it however you like, really. The MSR mug mate. Everything's so wet. Took me almost 45 minutes to get that fire to where it's at now. Just insane wet. Birch bark was my best friend here today. Alright, I'm going to continue to make that happen and then cook some breakfast. Kind of a damp, overcast day. It was supposed to be nice today. So I'm a little bummed out, but a little drizzle happening. But anyway, make the best of it. Do some camp chores. There's a loon right over there. I don't know, you probably can't see it. Yeah, hopefully it'll clear later. Thanks for coming along. I like sharing these times with people. It's awesome. I will say one thing about the canoe. The whole canoe camping thing is, you know, when I backpack, I try to carry as little as possible, yet be comfortable. With the canoe, you can be, you know, somewhat realistic in what you bring and draw the line with comfort items. But yeah, it's pretty nice being able to bring pretty much everything you need. So that this original candle, now it's the second candle I've ever used. It burnt, there was like this much left of the candle last night, and it burnt till 1:30 in the morning from about 6:30. That's just amazing. I trimmed the wick. It was really just a little tiny glow there. But yeah, slept great. The hammock gear, Phoenix underquilt with the 2-ounce over stuff, the 20-degree burrow, Cedar Summit pillow, all the usual stuff, folks. War bonnet blackbird. Loving it. Got kind of a mess going on here. Trying to get a bed of coals going. I'm gonna grill a steak on that little grill I got. I got this tarp last year and I've only used it once. It's a really nice value AquaQuest. I believe it's 9x7. It's got nice sewn in tie outs on like every 2 feet around the perimeter. It's pretty nice. Inexpensive. I think it was 40 bucks. 35, 40 bucks. No, I'm sorry, 55 bucks. But still, it's pretty good. It's still nylon. But yeah, I brought it as a complimentary tarp to my big mamma jamma. So I wouldn't be entombed under that all day if need be, if it rains. Got my bear bag. Like I said, the only place I could find a horizontal branch other than that one was right up there. And so after four tries, it's up over there and it's tied off over there. So anyway, I'm gonna stop waffling and get my tarp set up because it looks like it's gonna rain. Gigantic piece of beef going on there. I'll eat it and eat the leftovers tomorrow. Oh yeah. Look perfect. Good stuff. So here's a little tarp setup. It's a place where I can sit by the fire if it starts to rain later. Eat. Nothing fancy, folks. One good thing about this tarp that I liked is it does have this center pull out, which is kind of handy. Yeah, I'm not going to get an award for symmetry or neatness, that's for sure. But it works, or it will work. Put some dry wood under there. Like I said, it's just a place to sit, eat, cook, be by the fire if it rains later. That's it. Again, this is 9x7. The company's called AquaQuest. 55 bucks. Still nylon. It's a real good value. Nicely stitched box stitching on the corners anyway. Webbing, no grommets. Very nice. It's not quite big enough for a tarp, or excuse me, a hammock. It's only 9 feet long, but even diagonally, I don't think it would work. But for this, perfect. Everything's so damn wet. We'll see. I'm gonna get a little more firewood, and then I'm gonna go fishing finally. It's noontime. I want to get out there and go fishing, so everything's pretty much set. I just got to procure some more firewood. Nice view of the campsite. Nice. folks. I really wish the sun was out. The colors would show so much nicer. But oh well. Loon's right out there. He's got a fish in his mouth. Just rekindled the fire. I spent 3 hours fishing and caught nothing. Oh well, one of those days, right? Anyway, gonna have a little adult beverage. Some Jim Beam Kentucky straight bourbon. Good stuff. Temperature's dropped. It's I don't know, probably 10-15 degrees cooler than it was yesterday at this time. Sun's finally out. I think maybe that miserable, damp, cloudy stuff is hopefully gone. There's quite a bit more blue sky and looks like it's gonna last, hopefully. All right, see you in a bit. Joe's Neon, this small hatchet you gifted me, works perfect for delimbing, splitting. I really love this thing, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Peace. So there's my food bag. Later on, when I'm done using it, I'll pull it up another 6-7 feet, so it's up there, good amount. My other soft-sided cooler, what I did last night, and I'm going to do the same tonight, I took out what I needed for the evening, and I paddled out. It's kind of unconventional, but that 550, it's pretty strong, but it's all I can do to lift that bear bag, or that food bag, up enough as it is. Never mind the weight of the soft-sided cooler, which has some bacon, eggs, cheese, some hot dogs, butter, lots of goodies that I don't want to just laying around camp. So what I did last night and again tonight is there's a rock out there. See that the biggest rock to the right? Well, that's where you can see that lump on the upper left-hand corner. That's the soft-sided cooler. I think that'll be pretty safe, at least as far away from camp, and unlikely that any bear's gonna go out there for that, but whatever, or raccoon or mice. So that worked out good. Yeah, anyway, so the sun's out still, in and out. You can see the absolutely stunning color. I wish you could see it. I wish you were here. Just beautiful. Hopefully tomorrow the sun will be out like all day. It'll really make all this stuff pop. Unreal. So yeah, I just want to show you my food bag situation and how I'm dealing with my food. Once again, I brought too much food. But anyway, got the boat up. Done paddling for the day. Cut down this spruce. I know it's not hardwood, but there's not a lot of hardwood around here that's dead, standing. I've taken a walk in pretty much every direction possible, and it's pretty much picked over. So the spruce, it burns fast, but whatever. There it is. There's some, enough for a little while tonight. It burns fast, but it's a fire, right? Okay,